Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by building the physical phone body so you can focus on the logic. Place a 9 by 4 black concrete rectangle for the screen, leave a 1-block bezel, and add glass for the face. Once done, put item frames in a grid matching the screen pixels and prepare blank maps for each frame. Make sure you have at least one command block and operator permissions. These let you swap maps and simulate apps without manual editing. Now move to wiring the control system. Next, you turn the item frame grid into a functional display by creating multiple filled maps representing different app screens. Use a map editor or in-game temporary world to draw each screen, then put them into frames. Once maps are ready, connect buttons or pressure plates to command blocks using redstone lines and repeaters, so each input replaces maps in frames. Make sure to stagger repeaters for timing. This prevents flicker and gives the command blocks time to execute when you simulate tapping an app. Finally, program the app behavior using command blocks that run commands like /replace item or data modify to change the map shown in each item frame. Chain conditional command blocks for multi-step apps and add sound or particle commands so you get feedback when pressing buttons. Once complete, add a dedicated reset button to restore the home screen. If the device lags, make sure to reduce active map updates and limit entities. These are the usual causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.